Hi guys, this is GIS and Remote Sensing Basic YouTube channel. Today we go to see how to georeference the toposheet using ArcGIS. I opened ArcGIS 10.4. In that, here the add data option is there. Using this you can add the toposheet or any kind of data from your folder location. Now I open the toposheet. This is one of the Survey of India toposheet. The four corners of this image have latitude and longitude. This is the first one. Second one. Third and fourth. The georeferencing option is presented here. If it is not there, you right click on the empty place and select the georeferencing tool from the list. Using this add control point option, you can add the latitude and longitude in a clockwise direction. This is the first one. In this intersection, you left click first and immediately give the right click and select the input X and Y. X is the longitude, Y is the latitude. Actually it is in a degree minutes format. You convert it in a decimal degree format. You type the 79 directly and 45 minutes you go to divide it by 60. (45) divided by 60 is 0.75. You type it. Then the latitude 11.30 divided by 60. It's 0.5. Give the OK. It is disappear. Then go to this image and right click on it and give zoom to layer. This is the first point. You do the same thing for the second control point. Okay, give the zoom to layer. Now third one. In this image have only degree and minutes. If sometimes the seconds is presented, you go to divide it by 3600 and add it to the minutes divided value. Okay, last point. 4 control points are added. After that we go to rectify this image in a TIFF format. In a georeferencing option, the rectify is there. In this option, you select the folder where you want to save this image. And rename it. You can select the TIFF format here and give the save. Okay, now I remove this and added the rectified one. This is the georeferenced image. You can see here the correct latitude and longitude in a decimal degree format. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for further updates.